Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this nude lip gloss. It's like a brown orangey nude, but it's really sheer. I'm using Queen KM Cosmetics. That's the base you guys see here, but I'm also trying out a new vendor, which is CG Cosmetics, and I added some of that base into the Queen KM base. I'm also using CG Cosmetics lip coloring in Sweet Potato. And honestly, making this gloss, I used about 1/3 of the container. I had to use a lot to get the color that I wanted, and it still came out a little bit sheer. But probably when I remake this gloss, I'll probably add some orange pigment or some brown pigment just to darken it up. And you guys already know I'm using Get Sucker flavoring oil up in Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And yes, so first of all, CG Cosmetics and Queen KM Cosmetics, I don't know if they have the same vendor or what, but their quality is the bomb because they mix perfectly together. I'm also using my oil of choice, which is grapeseed oil. You can use sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, whatever oil you choose. I've been loving grapeseed oil for my mixes lately, and I'm going to mix that really well because this time I didn't pour the pigment into the container because this is my first time using this pigment. So I'm going back to the basics, when I first started making lip gloss, and you want to mix it really well because as you see, it gets to clumping. But I'm going to continue mixing it up until it's the consistency I like. And then it was too thin for my liking, so I added more Versagel, and I'm using the Versagel by CG Cosmetics. And you guys, that base is bomb. Like, I ordered the 3.5 pound of it, and you guys, I love it so much. And I'm kind of sad because I was looking at her Instagram, and I think she's going to stop selling the 3.5s until she gets her warehouse. But this is going to last me a pretty long time. I think I might run out of tubes before I run out of base. But yeah, you guys, I'm just mixing up the Versagel really well. And I also use my lip gloss filler machine in this video, so stick around to the end of the video. You're going to see me fill a few tubes. And you guys, honestly, a tip, if you're going to be using the lip gloss machine for your lip gloss, your gloss has to be really runny. But hold that thought, you guys. I'm going to show you this base though. I'm opening it up. Look at it. Ooh, look at that. Period, poo. Period. Amazing. Boom. So yeah, back to what I was saying. If you are using a lip gloss filler machine for your gloss have to be super duper runny. Like, the consistency I like is a medium consistency, which was still too thick for the filler machine. So I had complications, and you guys going to see that later on in the video. But in my next video, when I make another lip gloss, because I am going to be making more colors because I ordered 3 pigments from CG. I'm going to make one of the glosses a little bit runny, and then I'm just going to go back to using my pipettes. But one of you guys asked to see me use the filler machine, not making lip gloss, but you guys wanted to see how I clean it. But I didn't have any more syringes, so I used my filler machine, and you guys, it was a mess. It was a mess. So I won't be doing that after the few glosses that I make. I'm going to go back to using the syringes and pipettes because it was just too much of a struggle for me. And right here, I added some of the pigment, and you guys, I added a lot. Well, to me, it's a lot because I'm used to TKB pigments, and I had to add a whole bunch. Look at me. I'm just adding a whole bunch. It doesn't look like a lot, but it was. After I saw the container, it was a lot. And still, it wasn't the color that I liked. So I did add, well, I liked the color, but it just wasn't dark enough for me. So I did add some white pigment that you guys will be seeing soon. But I am going to recreate this gloss, and I'm going to add probably orange and brown and see what I get from it. But this is still a beautiful color. It's just not super dark how I wanted it, but it's still a beautiful color, you guys. I posted it on my Facebook and everybody is so hyped for it, so that's exciting. So I'm just adding more pigment. And you guys, I sped up this video because a lot of y'all attention span is not that long according to my analytics. So yeah, I'm trying to shorten up my videos now. But yeah, you guys, leave me some video suggestions if there's any colors that you guys want to see me make or anything like that. Let me know, because I do have a lot of pigments, but I'm just making, you know, colors according to the season. So yeah, I'm just using my filler machine and it's clean. And I found one of my old tubes, so I'm filling that up as well. So this one is going to be on sale once I update my website for a really low price. I'm trying to get rid of those tubes, and I'm just going to stay at using squeeze tubes. So yeah, if you're going to use the filler machine, make sure you're cleaning off the metal part a lot. I wasn't doing that, and that also made my filling process complicated, because I normally use the machine making my hair oil, and it doesn't need to be wiped off like that, because I could see like what I'm doing, but I was standing behind the camera and I was standing up, so this process is really hard. So my setup for next time will be different. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the outcome, how it looked, and on my lips with no lip liner. Excuse my face, I gotta shave it. But this is just me applying the gloss. It's not sticky, it's real buttery. I love the consistency and everything, you guys. And this is me showing you guys how I look with a liner as well. But if you made it this far into the video, leave me down your favorite emoji, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me down any more video suggestions. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.